here. Get the out of here, white trash. Oh, yeah. What do you do? Let him make it. Agitated with the gun. Just being irritated. You gonna have runs like this. They got him, we got him. Can you tell me why you're here? Did Stewart come down?
We're just Americans trying to keep our fellow men safe. That's all.
What kind of rifle are you carrying?
It's a carbine.
Are you licensed to carry in Missouri?
Say again?
Are you licensed to carry in Missouri?
Sure.
Are you from Missouri?
I am.
Where?
Right here in southwest Missouri.
It's going to create a bigger problem if somebody doesn't neutralize the situation, just monitors stuff like that. I mean, people come up in groups with guns, that's just a bad look, period. I mean, if the protesters came out here with guns, somebody else probably would have got killed last night, you know what I'm saying? And for them to just be able to come out here like that, it's just a bad look, and I think it's going to lead to more negative results happening, you know what I'm saying? Because now people going to be on the look like, okay, they allowed to have their guns, now they gonna feel like they're back against the wall, they might bring their guns and they might fire this time, you know what I'm saying?